Welcome to our company, BenGangMachinery. As an industry leader, we are committed to providing high-quality, innovative packaging solutions. Let us take you to understand our company and products. We have advanced production facilities and modern production lines equipped with the latest packaging machinery technology. Driven by innovation, our team of engineers constantly develops and improves our products to meet the diverse needs of our customers. Our products cover a wide range of industries, including food, pharmaceuticals, and cosmetics. Whether it is powder, granule, or liquid, our packaging machinery can provide precise and efficient packaging solutions. Our machines utilize advanced automation technology to ensure productivity and the quality and safety of food packaging. We have built strong partnerships with customers around the world over the years. They trust our products and services and have achieved great success in their respective markets. We are deeply grateful for their support and cooperation. Our professional team consists of experienced engineers, technicians, and sales team. They will provide you with a full range of technical support and customer service to ensure that you get the best experience during the whole cooperation process. As a leader in the field of packaging machinery, we are committed to providing our customers with the best packaging solutions. No matter what your needs, we will meet them with high-quality, innovative products and professional service. Contact us today to start transforming your packaging experience.